Study planner, so study planner is very important. See, what happens that if you don't have a plan, then you will not realize that how this time will pass. And one day you will realize that it's end of October. Okay, I tell you the challenging positions. Number one, exam booking date is 28th October. You are sitting somewhere on 15th or 20th of October and you think that's the time to book the exam. And then you start asking yourself, am I ready or not? Should I delay or not? Because you did not have any plan. You just woke up and now you realize, and now you are asking yourself, am I ready for exam? Should I pay money to ACCA or maybe I should postpone it? That's bad, but it happens if you are not going through in a plan. Anyways, you think, okay, although it looks tough, but I take the challenge and I am booking the exam. So far, I have not been doing good, but from now on, I am committing myself. I will be doing good. You make some big promises to yourself, which you will not fulfill. And the second date, which comes, is like 20th of November, where you say, okay, now it's only 15 days left. I cannot do anything. And then you say, let's give up. This is what happens with many ACCA students. Okay. To avoid this thing, you have to do your efforts on weekly basis. I don't say that study every day. I mean, I cannot study every day myself, but at least you should set your weekly targets, okay? That this is week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. If on Monday I will have time, I will do it on Monday. If I don't have time on Monday, I'll do it on Tuesday. But I cannot put myself under stress that I must do it on Monday. No, I should do it in week 1. So give me a time week 1 and I will finish this in week 1. So, and to keep you on track, this our study planner, it is like one of the, so there are two additional features. I mean, of course, there are so many things which are offered, but two features are really appreciated by students and they help students. One, the WhatsApp group, and second, the study planner. It's a very integral part of preparation, okay? I have put the video lectures, but those video lectures will only help you if you watch them. And if you watch all of them, and if you watch them in time. If you don't watch them, there is no use of those lectures. So please go to the course curriculum. You will see a link to create a study plan. Go there, choose the beginning date and end date. I'm starting from 10th of September and I want to finish on 20th of November. Select the days of the week. I want to study on Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Saturday, 4 days in a week, 2 hours, 3 hours, 2 hours, 3 hours. Allocate the number of hours on those days. So I want to start on 10th September, finish on 20th November. I will study Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Saturday and Sunday, whatever, 4 days in a week, and 2 hours on Monday, 3 hours on Wednesday, 3 hours on Friday, and so on. And then create your study plan and download it in PDF format and put it somewhere in front of you so that it should give you a reminder every day. Apart from that reminder, you should also download the mobile app for Android users only. It's not for iOS, only for Android users. And this mobile app will send you the notifications on daily basis that, oh, this is Monday today, and you promised to study. So please get ready. You have to watch lecture number 21 and lecture number 22. So that's a very clear cut direction. Or you have to start today chapter number 4 and you must be watching lecture video 1. Because what happened? Because you said that I want to study only 2 hours on Monday. So it will pick up that task in the sequence which ends up in 2 hours. Maybe these are 3 videos. You said that give me a plan for 2 hours, and this video probably is for, I don't know, 40 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, but it will be 2 hours. So he will give you watch these 3 videos. Now, if you are following the plan on daily basis or on weekly basis, then you will realize one day that it is done. When 20th November will come, it's done and dusted, and you will not have those last final week of panic attacks. Oh, I've got only 10 days and 3 chapters are remaining, 5 chapters are remaining. Those, you would be, you will, help yourself sparing from that situation. And you can track your progress on the mobile app, that how much you have done. Okay.